y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be doing a pantry organization video for you guys, and you'll see in just a few minutes my pantry was in desperate need of some organizing. So I thought that I would add that to my spring cleaning checklist and do that video for you today. Also, today's video is a collaboration with my friend Brianna K. If you haven't checked out her channel before, you definitely need to go check it out. She is amazing and I've been following her since before I started my YouTube journey. And she is a mama of two. She has a little boy named Landon and a baby girl named Presley, and they are the cutest little family. She's beautiful. She has fun content. She does lots of cleaning videos, hauls, decorating, and day in the life, mommy vlogs, things like that. So I definitely think that if you like my channel, you will love her channel too. So go check her video out after you get done here. She's gonna give you guys another spring cleaning video. She's gonna be doing something a little bit different than mine, but she is giving you a spring cleaning video for some more cleaning motivation. So I'll leave you guys the link down below for her video, so that way as soon as you get done here, you can go check hers out. And if you're coming over from Brianna's channel, I just want to say hey and thank you so much for coming to check out my video and my channel. I hope that you will like what you see and that you will subscribe to my channel and check out more of my videos. And if you want to make sure that you don't miss a video, then make sure you hit the bell so that you can be notified anytime I have a new video up. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on this pantry organization. Alright, so this is the before of my small pantry, and then we also have a couple of other shelves that we use for pantry storage as well, but this was the before. And the first thing that I did was I went ahead and took everything out so that I could see what I was working with and how I wanted to organize it. Everything was pulled out, I went ahead and vacuumed, and then I used a mixture of vinegar and water to clean the floors and the baseboards inside of the pantry. And I'm sorry for the hiney shot here. This area is super small, so it's really hard to film right here, but I did my best. Alright, so this is another cabinet that we use to have as part of our pantry storage. We also put pots and pans and things like that in here, so I wanted to go ahead and organize this one as well. So I went ahead and took everything out of there, and then I used my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray and the peony scent and cleaned out the shelves and everything to make sure that it was nice and clean before I put anything back in. Last cabinet that we use for storage, we put like canned goods and spices and things like that. Here's a look at all the stuff that I have pulled out of all of the cabinets in the pantry. So then the next thing that I did was I went ahead and pulled everything out of tubs and all, and I organized things by what would go with what and kind of categorized things so that I could put them in my bins when I was ready. Also during this time I was looking at expiration dates and getting rid of anything that was expired, and then making sure that I was aware of what we had and what we didn't need anymore so that I could kind of declutter all of that stuff as well. I recently got this little cookie jar from Walmart, and I love how easy it is to snap the top on and off, and that it's plastic, so my kids, if they happen to drop it, it's not going to be glass and break everywhere. And then I got these cereal containers off of Amazon. I'll leave the link for these below. And then the other little containers that have the easy grip, easy on and off grip thing to the right, I also got those off of Amazon, and you'll see me use those in just a few minutes for some different pastas and rice and things like that, and I'll leave the link for those as well.
5, 6, 7, 8, ready for that heartbreak? I missed you. Give me that kiss now. I just wanna hold you close to me. I really like you. Do you like me? Don't you wanna see what this could be? I am ready for that heartbreak.
And I also got my husband to come and help a little bit as well, so you'll see him in some of the video.
I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dancing. I'm taking my chances. I'm going like.
Now these little containers that you'll see here, I actually got this one from the Dollar Tree, and I got 3 of them. I wish that I had found the bigger ones because I could have used those for cereal as well. I know that they've had them before, but I've just had a really hard time finding them. So if you ever see them at Dollar Tree, they probably won't last long, so make sure you snag them up. Alright, and now I am just organizing all of my stuff that's going to go back into my pantry with these little Dollar Tree bins, and I love these bins. They're perfect size for like snacks and things like that, so I just organize them before I put on labels.
Heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance the night away. I am ready for that heartbreak. That's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before. Maybe I am going crazy. Say you feel the same now that we dance.
Alright, and then I used my silhouette to make some extra labels for my bins because some of the containers came with labels, but I didn't have enough for the bins, so I wanted to do a mint color to look good with all the white in the pantry, so that's what I'm doing here. And then I used a black Sharpie to write on the categories that I was putting on my bins. Alright, and then after everything was sorted, I went ahead and put all of the stuff back into the pantry, and then I started with the other cabinets and put those things back as well, and just kind of organized them in a way that made sense for us.
Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? All your emotions with your heart on your sleeve, it won't fade.
In this cabinet, you can see I put any of the extra items that didn't have anything in them. I put them in a bag because we don't need them yet, but I'm sure that when I go grocery shopping, I will be able to put anything that I need to in those containers.
Where does it come from? Oh, where does it come from? Oh, where does it come
Alright, so in the top of the pantry, I put the things I didn't want the kids to get into, like baking supplies and the candy. And then we have our cereal and cookie jars here on this shelf, and then on the next shelf I put some snacks, and a lot of these snacks are the ones that my husband and I eat, or crackers, or big bags of chips. And then on the next shelf we have miscellaneous, and I have like macaroni and cheese, and then I'll put fruit cups and things like that, and then I have the snacks for the kids, that way it's easy for them to reach and be able to get on their own. And then in the bottom we have the bag chips, and I usually use these for lunches and things like that. And then in this cabinet we have lots of different sauces and like oils and bread. And then all of our pastas are on this shelf, and then the vegetable oil I put on there because it was just too big to go on the top shelf. And then on the next shelf we have some pots and pans. And then on the bottom shelf we have some more pans, and then I got this little, it's actually a drying dish rack or something from the Dollar Tree, and I just used it to sort of organize our pans so that they're not just laying flat. And then in this one I have our sugar, flour, salt, spray for the stove, and then some of our canned goods are up here. And I just kind of organized them by type of canned good. And then we have some more sauces, honey, teas, and then this is our spices, and we have a lot of spices, so it's kind of hard to organize this. I feel like I need to get a rack, but in that little container we keep like ranch and taco seasoning. And then we did get this little spice rack from the Dollar Tree, and I mean, it only holds a little bit compared to what we have, but we did alphabetize them so that will be easy to find all the spices that we need. Alright guys, so that is it for my pantry organization. I hope that you guys found this video helpful and that it motivated you guys. And don't forget to leave me a comment telling me what you are wanting to organize yourself, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And you can also go follow me over on Instagram at Team Darley, and you'll be able to see what's going on in our everyday lives. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all.